think as a parent, it's easy, especially in the beginning, to like, I should be making this or I should be making that. And I just gave that up. I don't think that cooking for your kids or just feeding a family should be something stressful. And so I just like to keep it within my own toolbox. Today I'm making vegetarian quiche, and it's super easy because you can put it in the freezer and give it to the kids like another day, and it's perfect for summer and for fall. I mean, it's just all around good. First I chop the vegetables. The first one is always the onions because I like to get them nice and sauteed first. And then the broccoli, the leeks, and then put it all in the pan with olive oil. And then at the end, I throw the spinach in when it's about to come off. And there's still so much heat that you don't cook the spinach, you just kind of put it on top at the end. Often I'll make the cream while the food is sauteing or right before, and that's just yogurt, organic milk, cheese, and eggs. My kids are big milk drinkers. My daughter loves to eat cereal every morning, and my son loves to drink milk before bed. And so we always have to have organic milk on hand. Having it be part of the quiche is obviously natural. So I just like to keep a frozen crust, which is super easy and again, super quick. And I'm not precious about pie crust. Some people are. My kids don't know the difference, and that's what's important. Like, everyone still eats it. It's just like throw it all in a pan, get it out, mix it up, and put it in the oven. I've had the blog for 6 years, and I've told like certain stories bit by bit, and one of the things that I've realized, like becoming a mother or being a stylist or writer or even like a woman, is that there's so many layers to us. The book itself is based around style and beauty, but the stories are so layered. It's about resilience and joy and loss and all these things that encompass a woman. My kids will drink smoothies like no one's business, so that's how I used to get like a lot of greens in them. And then quiche is like an easy way because I just like to hide the vegetables. I mean, they'll eat it, but like it also makes it so much easier when they don't see it. It just keeps it simple. Oh, it's very good. It's like really savory. The onions are so good. I just want that last piece of ham done.